these three words, and most of the people think that these three places, these three names are the same, but there is a lot of difference between these three words, these three places, and these three places are UK, that is called United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, and the second one is Great Britain, and the third one is England. What is the difference between these three? I will tell you. Actually, UK, Great Britain and England are different names, and they denote different idea and different meaning. Now let's clear it. Let's come to the point. Now let me tell you UK. What is UK? UK's full name is United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. And UK is a sovereign country. It means it's a full country. In Hindi you can say पूर्ण देश. It means UK क्या है? UK is a full country. It is a sovereign country. And it comprises of four parts. There are four parts of UK. Four parts, four places. When combined, they make UK, United Kingdom. In short, we also say United Kingdom or UK. And the full name of UK is United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. This is the full name. And UK comprises of four parts. Those four parts are England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. It means England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, these four places, they make UK or United Kingdom, and the capital city of UK is London. London is the capital of UK. It means UK is a country. In the world, it is known as a full country or sovereign country. For passports, officially in the world level, UK is known as a country. And the second point is Great Britain. What is Great Britain? Great Britain is not a country. It's a geographical name. It's a geographical name. It means a specific area. A specific area geographically. A specific area is called Great Britain, and Great Britain comprises three places, and those three places are England, Scotland and Wales. It means the geographical area of England, Scotland and Wales is called Great Britain, and Great Britain is not a country. On the other hand, UK is a full country. It's a sovereign country. It means UK is the name of a country, and Great Britain is the name of an area which comprises three parts. And finally, the third point is England. First is UK, second is Great Britain, and third is England. What is England? England is a part of UK. England is a part of UK. UK is a country. For example, if you are living in India, and there are so many states in India, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, these are states of India, but they are not full country. They are not sovereign countries, sovereign nations. They are not sovereign nations, but it is a state of India. In the same way as Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan, these are states of India and a part of India and have their own capital For example, Uttar Pradesh has its capital as Lucknow, and Rajasthan as Jaipur, and Maharashtra as Mumbai. In the same way, England is a state of UK, and its capital is London. It means England is a state of UK, United Kingdom. It's a part of United Kingdom, is a state of United Kingdom. Now I hope you must have understood the meaning of these three words, these three places, and the difference of these three places. What is the difference between these three names? And most of the people are often confused. They call UK as Great Britain, Britain as UK, and England as UK, UK as England. In so many ways, there are so many things that people understand like this. But now I have cleared it. I have clarified that what is the difference between these three words. Okay, UK. Now, in short, in conclusion, I will conclude that UK is a sovereign country whose capital is London. It has 4 parts, and Great Britain is a geographical name. It has 3 parts, and England is a state of UK, and its capital is London. Thank you very much.